Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to build a simple Telegram bot that fetches weather information for any city. Let's break down the code. So first we import two important modules like Node Telegram Bot API. This is the official library for creating Telegram bots. The request. This allows us to make HTTP request to external API, in this case weather API. Then we initialize the bot by providing it a bot token which you can get from Telegram, and weather API key which you get from weatherapi.com. The bot start polling from incoming messages. Next, we set up a listener with the bot.on message which checks for any incoming message inside the function. We extract the chat ID and the user's message. We also convert the message to lowercase to make it easier to handle. If the message starts with weather in, we know that user is asking for weather info. We then extract the city name by removing the phrases weather in and trimming any extra spaces if no city is provided. When send a message asking user to specify one. Once we have the city, we construct a URL for weather API service. So here we can see a URL. Once we have the city, we construct URL from the weather API service. We use template literals here to insert the city name and our API key dynamically into the URL. We make a request to the weather API endpoint using request function again. Here, if there is an error like network issue, we inform the user and log the error. When the response comes back, we pass the JSON data. If the API returns an error, we send an error message. Otherwise, we extract useful data, the city name, temperature, weather condition, and humidity, and the format into a nice readable message. This is sent back to the user. So here we can see the information and information about the weather like temperature, condition, and humidity at the particular place. And lastly, if the user sends any message that does not start with weather in, then the bot send message that that is an error. Okay, by giving and that is we have created a Telegram bot that can fetch and send weather data for any city. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.